Phone conversations in English. Dialogue 1, calling a friend.
Hi Alice, it's John. How are you?
Oh, hi John. I was just thinking about you.
That's nice. I was wondering if you'd like to go to a movie tonight.
Sure, I'd love to. What's playing?
I was thinking about that new comedy Lights Out. What do you think?
Sounds great.
Okay, I'll pick you up around 7:30. The movie starts at 8 o'clock.
See you then. Bye. Dialogue 2, calling a friend.
Hello, may I speak to Alice please?
This is she. How's it going?
I've been trying to call you all day.
Sorry about that. I was cleaning up.
It's okay.
So, what were you calling me about?
Oh, I just wanted to see if you wanted to hang out tomorrow.
Sure, what did you want to do?
Maybe we can go see a movie or something.
That sounds like fun. Let's do it.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
See you then. Bye. Dialogue 3, calling a friend.
Is Helen available?
You're talking to her.
I've called you 100 times today.
I was busy doing something. I apologize.
No problem.
Did you need something?
Do you want to do something tomorrow?
Is there somewhere special you wanted to go?
How about a movie?
The movie sounds good.
Call me tomorrow then.
I will see you tomorrow. Dialogue 4, calling a friend. Hello?
Hi Eva, it's Logan. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. Sure, glad it's Friday. Hey, is David there?
Yeah, hold on, I'll get him. David. Logan's on the phone.
Hey Logan, what's up? Not much. Are you up for going fishing this weekend? What? There's a lot of background noise, I can barely hear you. Sorry about that. I'm at the train station. I was wondering if you wanted to go fishing this weekend. I'm heading up to Mountain Lake with some friends early tomorrow morning. Hang on a sec, let me just check with my wife to make sure we have no other plans. Sure. Okay, she's given me the green light. Sweet. We'll pick you up at 6 tomorrow morning, is that okay? Yup. Do you need directions to my place? You still living on Willow Street, near the community center? Yeah, that's right. The yellow house, number 30. Gotcha. I know how to get there. All right. See you tomorrow then. Take care. Bye.
Dialogue 5, formal phone conversation.
Hello.
Hello, may I speak to Jason?
I'm sorry, but he's out to lunch right now.
Oh.
Would you like to leave a message?
Yes please. Would you please tell him that Juana has called to ask if you would like to go to David's birthday party together?
Well, all right. Could you spell your name please?
Okay. Juana, it's spelled J-U-A-N-A, Juana.
Got that. Could I have your telephone number, please?
Yes. It's 206-9843.
So, it's 206-9843. Shall I have him call you back later today?
Yes please. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Dialogue 6, formal phone conversation. Hello, this is Lisa. How may I help you today?
Hi Lisa, this is Phil from accounting. May I please speak with Mr. Sanderson?
I'm sorry, Mr. Sanderson is currently unavailable. He is in a meeting and will not be taking any calls today.
This is in regards to the ABC Corporation merger, occurring on the 18th of October. The matter is rather urgent. Please forward this message and have him contact me at 425-1379.
I understand. I'll notify Mr. Sanderson as soon as he emerges from the meeting.
Thank you, Lisa.
You are welcome. Dialogue 7, formal phone conversation. Midtown Computer Solutions, Kathy speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Logan Bardos. May I speak with Anna Jones, please?
One moment please, I'll put you through. Mr. Bardos? I'm sorry, Anna's in a meeting at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, could you ask her to call me back as soon as possible? It's pretty urgent.
Of course. Does she have your number?
She has my office number, but let me also give you my cell. It's 2061379.
Let me read that back to you. 2061379.
That's right.
And could you spell your last name for me?
Bardos.
Okay, Mr. Bardos. I'll give her the message.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Dialogue 8, formal phone conversation. Anna calls Logan back.
Hello?
Hi, Logan, this is Anna returning your call.
Hi Anna, thanks for getting back to me. I was calling about the shipment of keyboards for our office. We haven't gotten them yet.
Oh, that's not good. They were supposed to be delivered 3 days ago.
Exactly, and we have a new group of employees starting on Monday, so we really need those keyboards as soon as possible.
Okay, I'll look into it right away. If necessary, we can send you an emergency overnight shipment.
Thanks, Anna, I appreciate it.
No problem, Logan. I'll call you back a little later, as soon as I have more information.
Sounds good. Talk to you soon.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.